Okay, so we can start. Here, I want to ask some questions. What are reversible changes? What are reversible changes? I will ask those only to say that answer. Okay, Sanika, what are reversible changes?
Reversible changes are the changes that we can change after folding.
Is it correct?
Reversible changes means we can change it to after doing anything also we can change it.
Okay, say it in a proper sentence. Say it in a proper sentence.
Reversible changes can be reused.
This, who can say it in a Devika? Devika. Devika. Yes.
Changes that can be reversed.
Okay, loudly. Some more loudly. Unmute.
Reversible changes are the changes that can be reversed,
Okay.
and it is a temporary change.
Okay.
Then we can obtain the changed substance into its original form.
Okay, these are the 3 points regarding the reversible change. Sanika, can you tell it? Can you repeat it? What are reversible changes?
Reversible changes that we can reverse.
Changes that we can. Changes that we can reverse.
It is not temporary change. It is temporary change.
It is a temporary change. Then third point, Vinayak, please help Sanika by saying that third point.
Ma'am?
Third point. What is the third point which Sanika lost that one? Yes, tell me.
Reversible changes.
Sorry, reversible changes. Reversible changes.
Changes that are reversible are called reversible changes.
Okay, that it is told by Sanika also. And second one?
We can get the substance back to its original form.
That is the thing Sanika lost it. Sanika, got it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
By reversible change, in reversible change, we will get the original substance. Okay, that is the correct answer. So, I hope Nihal Mustafa can say all these answers. Nihal is ready to say it, right? Nihal, tell me what all are the points? What all are the points regarding reversible change? Yes, tell me, Nihal.
It can.
No. No. So Ananda Krishnan. Ananda Krishnan. Yeah. Tell me.
Reversible changes are the changes that can be reversed.
Okay. Nihal, repeat after Ananda Krishnan.
Reversible change can be reversible.
Is there any meaning in that sentence? Say it clearly.
Reversible changes
that can be reversed are called reversible changes. Right? Okay, Ananda Krishnan. Second one.
It is a temporary change.
Is a temporary change. And the last one.
We can get the object in its original form.
We can get back the object in its original
form.
Nihal Mustafa switched off the video. He maybe okay. So Nihal, learn it. Okay, learn it because now second MCQ will start. So before that, we want to revise the whole chapters. Okay, which all chapters are there after MCQ 1? That all will be taking for the next test.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ameya.
Can you tell the last point?
Okay, so who will help this Ameya? Okay, Ananya ke Vijesh. Help Ameya by saying the last point. Oh, Ananya, your voice is so low. I can call some others. Brisa, please say this last point again.
Irreversible changes means the changes that can be reversed, and then changes that are temporary, and then we can get the original substance.
We can get the original substance in reversible change. Ameya, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Please switch on the video. Brisa,
Okay,
keep
ma'am.
your device in a proper position. I can't see your face. Next one. Next one. What are irreversible changes? Who know about this? What are irreversible changes? Those who know, they can raise the hand so that I can easily ask to them. But those hesitate to raise the hand, they can also expect my question. Okay, I will call them also. Sravana, give me the first point regarding irreversible change.
Ma'am, irreversible changes cannot.
Some more loudly. I can't hear.
Ma'am, irreversible changes cannot be changed.
Cannot be.
Irreversible changes cannot be reversed.
Okay, very good. Irreversible changes cannot be reversed. Changes that cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. Okay. Next one, Emil. Emil,
It is a permanent change.
it is a permanent change. Okay. Then who can raise your hand?
Ma'am.
Only few hands. Ashish. Yes, Ashish. Yes.
Ma'am, we can't get the original form of the
Okay, we can't get the original substance back after irreversible change. We will not get the original substance back. Okay, so 3 points, all of you heard about it, right? So now let me call those students are not ready to say the answer. Devaganga, please tell me first point regarding irreversible change. Devaganga, switch off. Devaganga. Okay, then now I will call Harriet. Harriet, tell me the first point regarding irreversible change.
Irreversible changes are the changes that cannot be reversed.
Very good. Now Devaganga is ready to say the second one, right, Devaganga? Devaganga? No. Now also some prop. Kanish, can you tell me the second point?
It is a permanent change.
It is a permanent change. Very good. Abhyuday, can you tell me the last point? Abhyuday, can you tell me the last point? Okay. Abhinav Sarjan, please tell me the last point.
We can't get the substance
In its original form. We want to get the substance from its original form. These are the 3 points. So, if a question, so these all I showed it through the slide, right? I hope this answer is there with you. Is that with you? This answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So, if I ask a question like this, differentiate between reversible and irreversible changes. Will you be able to write question?
Yes, ma'am.
Right answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write down the first question, extra question. First question.
Ma'am, should we write? This should be
In a
written
rough book. In a rough book, you can note down the question. One more period is there, right? There you can. Before that, if you get time, you can write it. Okay. So extra question. First one. Differentiate between or write the difference between. Francis, why are you not writing? Francis, why are you not writing? Differentiate between reversible and irreversible change. reversible and irreversible change.
And can you tell one more time?
Differentiate between DIFFERENTIATE. Differentiate between. What do you mean by differentiate?
Ma'am, to write the
To
difference.
write the
You have to
difference
write
among
To
both
write
of
the
them.
difference.
Okay. Differentiate between reversible and irreversible change. So it will be better if you write by using some table. First, you can use one line for making into two columns. You can give the heading reversible in one column, in the other one irreversible changes. Then the 3 points regarding the reversible change you can give. 3 points regarding the irreversible change, you can give it below irreversible change. At last, you
Ma'am,
can
this
add,
one.
at last you can add one example also. One example for each. Understood?
Can we write differentiate between reversible and irreversible changes by giving examples?
Examples also you can write at the last. One example, one or two. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah.
give the notes of these changes around us.
This chapter is all about the changes around. No. It is not sent. Okay. I will send it. Okay. So here,
Ma'am,
this
this
one
is
question.
writing.
Ashit, who is this? Sanika
Ma'am.
is so.
Ma'am, we should write the notes. We should write this question in the notes.
See here, I am giving some extra questions. This one you can write it in the rough book, and you can here we discuss these points, and from that you remember it. I think you had noted down some points during the class time also. So using that, your own you try to write it. Okay, I will send the notes. Surely I will send it. When I send the notes, you can check it whether you missed any points. That notes you can write it in the rough book. Sorry, in the notes. Now you start to write in the rough book. So without anybody's help, you have to develop the skill to write the answers. I explained how to write it. Make columns. But keep one line and make it 2 columns. Give the heading, reversible change, irreversible change. Then 3 points regarding the each change you can note down. Then give one example to each, 1 or 2 examples for each. Finished. Likewise, you have to develop to write your own answers. Okay, science you can learn by writing by your own answers. After that, when I send the notes, you can check it. This you can write it in your rough book. So that if you want to make any correction, you can make it in the notes. Next question. So here we can expect 3 types of questions. What are reversible reaction? What are irreversible changes? And differentiate between reversible and irreversible changes. Here also you can expect, give example for reversible and irreversible changes. So let me ask one question. Give me some example for reversible changes. Ameya, give some example for reversible changes.
Paper.
Say it in a proper way. How many examples are there in the textbook itself?
Example for reversible change. Paper.
Paper. Paper is an example for an object. I want the example for reversible change. Example for reversible change. Who can say it? Who can?
Can I tell?
1 minute. Smriti, yes. Give me the answer.
Ma'am, example for reversible changes.
flour, not flour, the mixed flour into small balls.
Okay. Dough balls into when we roll the dough balls into a shape, right? We can reverse it. Okay. Another example.
Yes, ma'am.
Smriti, try it. You can give some more clear examples.
Ma'am, can I?
1 minute. Wait.
Ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes, Smriti. Yes.
ma'am, salt mixed with water.
Sorry.
Ma'am, salt mixed with water.
Okay, when we mix salt or sugar with water, we can get it back, right? Okay, reversible change. And another one, irreversible change. Who can answer it? Irreversible change. Irreversible change.
Ma'am, tearing paper.
1 minute. Kanish,
Ma'am, tearing paper.
so many Kanishka
We
there
cannot
in
make
this class.
it to
Ma'am,
I
Ma'am,
want
Nihal.
an answer from Kanishk.
Water that became ice.
Water that become ice. Okay, that is an example for irreversible change. Kanish, is it irreversible change? When we heat the ice, what we will get back?
Water.
Water. So we are getting original substance, right? Water when we freeze, we will get ice. Ice when we heat, we will get back the water. So, which type of change is that?
Reversible.
Reversible or irreversible?
Reversible.
Reversible. So, is that your answer is correct? I asked the question, example for irreversible change. Okay, Nihal.
I'm tearing a paper.
Tearing a paper. Okay, we won't get the paper back, right? Okay, that is there. Another, that is
Thank you, ma'am.
another one.
ma'am.
Nihal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nihal. Can you give me one more example?
Irreversible.
Irreversible. Yes.
Ma'am. Breaking a pencil.
Breaking a pencil.
Breaking.
Okay. If we break the pencil, okay, size will change. Another example, some more examples. So many examples we learn. See, one more example I want.
Ma'am, can I say?
Francis.
Ma'am.
Francis.
But we cannot make into a normal paper because the paper already has been fired and it has been to ashes.
Okay. When we burn a paper, that is an irreversible change. Okay. So in the textbook, I think so many examples are there. I think we discussed so many examples. I gave one homework as it is, and page number 51 also we done it, right? So from there you can choose the example. But very Srindra, mute your audio. Next one.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Smriti, ask me.
Ma'am, in the textbook, there is a portion in the textbook called making new
Making?
Ma'am, when irreversible changes happen, new things are made like paper burned into ash. But did you take that portion, ma'am?
Yes, new substances are formed. Yeah. That I explained, no? When we won't get when we burn, by the slide I showed you, when we burn this one.
Yes,
This one, when we burn the paper board, we won't get back the paper back. There we get the new substance, right? See, in the 7th standard, you will learn the continuation of this chapter. Okay, in the 7th standard for science, you will learn the continuation of this reversible and irreversible. Some more, you will learn some more deep English. Okay, so here just you want to understand the two types of changes. I hope it's clear now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is that any?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ameya.
Ma'am, earlier you told an example for irreversible change, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, so a cooked egg cannot change back to raw egg.
Yeah, that is an example. That is a fine example. That is why digestion. Francis, sit quietly, sit properly, Francis. So digestion, which type of change is that digestion? Who can say which type of change is digestion?
Irreversible.
Irreversible.
Irreversible
Okay, see, after digestion, if we want to get back the food item, then also it is not possible. Okay, so these are the different types. And here we learned about expansion, contraction, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Why we
ma'am.
learned this expansion and contraction in this chapter?
Ma'am, because
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 expansion and contraction.
because they cause changes on the object.
Okay, the expansion and contraction make changes on the object.
Objects.
Okay, and these also are reversible changes. Expansion and contraction are reversible changes. Do we have some application of this expansion and contraction in our daily life?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So what only I can hear some Smriti's voice also only. Okay. But I need some more students to respond. Risa, don't keep the metal scale like that. Okay. So here you have to say me where we are applying this expansion and contraction in our daily life. Where we are using this expansion and this one, a contraction in our daily life. Siana, can you tell me? Siana? No. Okay, Geetika is ready to give the answer, right? Geetika. Okay, tell me, Geetika. Yes.
Ma'am, to put the wooden in the, ma'am, to insert the, for the,
Okay, so for fixing, the wooden handle on the soil digging tools, if we want to fix the wooden handle on soil digging tools, we can use this method, right? And one more is there, if we want to fix the metal rim on the wooden wheel, then also we can use it, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
have you seen any other possibilities of this expansion and contraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, where you have seen it, Devika?
Ma'am, mostly in the kitchen when any jars or something is very tight.
Yeah, especially during the winter rainy
Winter
season. Yeah. And
it
one more
becomes.
is there. When I mentioned about winter and rainy season, you might have seen some difficulties at your home. Can you remember that one? Yes, Smriti.
Doors and windows will be
Very good. The doors and windows will be very tight during the rainy season and during the winter season. Have you felt it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Felt it?
And the lock. And the lock.
Not only the lock, the doors will be very tight.
Yes,
Window panes and these doors.
it will be so hard to open.
Yeah. Especially in which season?
Winter.
Winter
And
season.
also rainy.
Ma'am, once when winter season.
Sri Rudra, who wants to talk? Anybody wants to talk? No. Okay. So let me see. But during the summer season, it is very easy, right? We can lock the door properly. We can close the windows properly, easily. So what is that? Why it is so? What is the reason behind it?
Ma'am, because of the heat.
See, I am teaching 1 minute. I am teaching the whole 6A students, but I am getting answers from only few students. Okay, it is not fair. Everybody should voluntarily, you have to give the answers. Anna, can you tell me what is the reason behind it? Have you heard what we had discussed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So tell me, what is the reason behind it?
Ma'am, for summer it is heat.
Hot. During the hot season,
It is hot.
the hinges and the door also are also get expanded. So we can easily open it. But during the rainy season and winter season, this wooden pieces also become contracted.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am, when we blow air into the balloon is expanding, right?
yeah.
Ma'am, so if we use contraction, can we make the balloon?
No. There only the expand, change in shape. As it is an elastic substance, it can change its shape. Understood? But in the same way, if you are blowing air in a pot made up of plastic or made up of iron, will it expand?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No. But if we heat the pot, it will some more it will expand. No, it will change its size.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So these all things we can use it in our daily life. So I think it is now the time to wind up today's session. Most probably I will keep one test during the last period. Okay. Be prepared for
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
this
Bye.
chapter, right?
This chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you.